Hi, I'm Larry Larson, President of Larson Development. Larson Development designs and builds homes better than other builders. I've been designing and building for the past 35 years. We continually work to improve our game and do a better job. We would like to show you some of the Larson differences. In conjunction with our mechanical contractor, Larson Development has designed and developed a unique mechanical system that is state-of-the-art. This system provides the utmost in comfort for the homeowner. It's very easy to set different temperature levels than anywhere within the house, and most of all, it's very energy efficient. We would like to show you some of those elements. An important part of a mechanical system is the supply and return of air to a room. If you want to heat or cool a room, you need to provide the air and supply ductwork, and these are metal ducts. Then you need to return the air to the mechanical room. The return air most builders use are formed by wall cavities of wood and drywall. You know, these are materials that can grow mold, mildew, and most importantly, they leak. They're not tight. What we do different, and a Larson difference, is that we take and hard duct the return airs. That is, we take and put metal ductwork from the room all the way back to the mechanical room. This is sealed, tested, to make sure that we do not have any leaks. So we have a very tight mechanical system. The ductwork that we install, both the supply and the metal return airs, are pressure tested by a third-party rating company to make sure that they're sealed tight. Most builders install a heating and air conditioning system that heats and cools more than one level of the home at the same time. We've all experienced homes where the lower level and the second floor may be too hot or too cold. It's very difficult to balance the temperature in that type of a system. A Larson difference is that we install a zone control system where all three levels of the home have their own separate set of supply and return air ductwork that is controlled by a damper and an individual automatic setback thermostat on each level, so that you can set and program what temperature that you want on that level. It aids in providing much better comfort for the house and also is very energy efficient. Our continuous flow hot water heater is much more efficient at providing heat from your house than a traditional furnace. When heat is called for in a home, the continuous flow hot water heater is turned on, and then it pumps hot water through this radiator grill that is installed in the air handler. And then the air blows over this and it heats your home. The typical gas forced air furnace when it calls for heat, will come on 100%. Some of the more efficient ones will come on 50%. What our system does is that it only turns on the amount of heat that you need and is called for at the time. If you need 5% capacity, it will turn on 5%. It's variable speed. That in itself makes it much more energy efficient than a traditional furnace.